Okay, I'm in Kentucky for a little visit with my daughter, and the cicadas have like just erupted. And if you, they're all over this tree here, coming out of holes in the ground, leaving their shells. I don't know if you can see them, but there's a whole bunch on that limb right there. And you can obviously hear how loud they are, but they are flying around all over the place like crazy. They're all over this tree right here. I think it's possibly a walnut tree. But yeah, I just thought I'd post a little video. Here's some on this branch right here, you can see, hanging upside down, crawling upside down. And these are much smaller than the kind that we have in Mississippi, and these have red eyes. They're quite interesting. Anyway, just wanted to let y'all hear what they sound like, because I don't think I've ever heard them sound this loud before. Okay, talk to you later.